YouTube? It's your boy Jermaine back with another video. So in this video, we're gonna do an unboxing. Alright, let's push this one off. This box is huge. Here we go. I usually do these unboxings upstairs, but like I said, this box is so big that I'm unable to take this one upstairs. So I'm gonna slowly open this one up and we'll pull the bike out. Okay, this is pretty easy here. Maybe I can just wheel it out. Wow, check out this, guys. This is the easiest unboxing bike video ever. This thing is just upright and you just wheel it out. Look at that. You can just push this back. And as of now, we are free from the box. And here is the bike here. And I'm so stoked this bike is proudly made in the USA, which is awesome. It's freaking amazing. I want to see more bikes made in the USA. Okay, we don't have to assemble the wheels. They're already on. Now the reason why this bike is a little bit easier versus other bikes is, like I said, this one's made in the USA. It's made down in SoCal. So it's a little bit easier to ship and deliver. You know, no customs, no boats out at seas. It's already here. We just gotta sort of undo all of this and sort of, I guess we have to just stand these handlebars up and charge the battery. Where's the charger? Maybe the charger's in here. It looks like it comes with a basket on the front, which is awesome. gasket on the front. Here we go, we got the charger. Nice box of charger comes in. Anti-theft alarm system. Okay, comes with an alarm system, that's different. We'll definitely talk more about that in future videos. Looks like it comes with a little tool bag there. Okay, let's finish removing the rest of this plastic here. Okay, pretty simple. Guys, I'm just gonna admit this is hands down the fastest bike setup I've ever had before. We have already removed all the plastic, all the tape, all the bubble wrap. Now we just need to adjust this, which I'm gonna have to turn this down here. See if this one works. Yeah. Have to adjust both of these, look like. You have to bring one up, bring this other one to the side. There we go. Guess I didn't have to turn this one. Okay, so you want to straighten up the wheel too. Make sure you get it good and straight. That looks to be straight. If it's not perfectly straight the first time you do it, you can always do this later after a ride. Just tighten it a little here. And then we're also gonna wanna adjust these front ones. Here, we're gonna bring those up like so. And then, this is very simple. Like I know this because I'm always working on bikes. But yeah, there's not much to this one when it comes to the assembly process. It's just pretty simple. You just want to tighten it down here, adjust it for how you want it to be. Okay, now looks like we're already done. Usually these videos are like 45 minutes long with me just taking the bike out of the box and assembling the bike. But this one is not so long. I like these mechanical brakes here. This is a very, very comfortable fit. Can't wait to go out and ride this one. It's almost like I'm riding a beach cruiser. It kind of has that feel to it, a beach cruiser feel to it with the handlebars. But this is a pretty cool bike, guys. That's about it. That's the unboxing. I'll definitely do a review video, so stay tuned for the review video. But yeah, we're done with the unboxing process. That was really easy. That was really fast. I'm surprised to see, where are we on the camera here? What, 11 minutes? Yeah, sorry, I did this one in a garage. This bike would not fit in the elevator in the box. But we're good to go. We're all set. We got us a new e-bike. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace out. Stay tuned for more videos with this bike. Awesome. This is cool.